Here we go. This is it. Moment of truth. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman of Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Mexico City. Today, I'm going on a street food tour with my friend Mariel de Viaje. She's a travel blogger. We're going to Mercado San Juan, one of the best markets in the city. There's a lot of vegetable, produce, and there's also food. Let's go eat with Mariel. I'm super excited, I'm super hungry.
¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Un placer.
Igualmente, mira, mi esposo.
¿Cómo estás? Mucho gusto.
Encantado.
¿Qué tal?
Hola, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Mariel Galán y hago Mariel de Viaje. Muchos videos de viajes en los que ustedes pueden saber a qué destinos ir de México y el mundo. Y ahorita estamos con David para enseñarle todo lo que puede encontrar aquí en el mercado de San Juan, que es uno de los mercados más legendarios de toda la República Mexicana. Vamos a darle.
Perfect. So this market's famous for having pre-Spain. So before Spain came here, this is like what people would eat in Mexico.
Yes, many people ate insects.
Insects, yeah.
Many kind of insects, and we have many. I love the insects.
You love those insects?
I love.
Okay.
I love
You know,
insects.
I barely eat insects. I've done it in like Thailand and other places.
Here we can find scorpions.
Oh my god.
Maybe spiders, and if you want, we can see.
Let's try it all. Let's try it all. Don't worry.
You can see the time price is 100 pies.
100 pies, okay.
100 pies.
Yeah. So that's a centipede.
Come on, David, come on.
Okay.
Okay. Pero no hay ningún problema con el veneno, por ejemplo.
No, ninguno. Ellos están limpios, están curados.
Ajá.
Sobre todo.
¿Lo vamos a probar estos dos?
Sí, claro, eso lo vamos a probar.
Este se le conoce como periquito.
Periquito.
Sí.
Wow.
Wow.
Vamos a probarlo. Entonces, a ver, le ponemos
Okay, here we go.
limoncitos,
Exotic foods.
salsita.
Y armamos un platillo típico de la región del estado de Oaxaca. Obviamente utilizando lo que es la sal de gusano y el mezcal. Obviamente recordemos que tanto el mezcal como la sal de gusano son nativos del estado de Oaxaca.
He has a tarantula here, the mascot of the place. She's gonna grab it.
Ok, entonces yo normal.
Sí, tú normal. Ahorita no va a hacer nada. Y
Ok,
lo que haga,
relax.
lo que haga, mientras no va a hacer nada.
No te pases
Graba, ¿no?
Yes.
Bien.
No quiero más.
ya estuvo.
Ya, no puedo.
Ya estuvo.
Ella se mete sola.
Sí, no. We can also eat that if we want, but I'm not eating that. I think we're gonna need some mezcal to like put everything down. So the way it works here is that he prepares a plate for everybody, or for us. I guess we choose what we want. He puts these different, so what is it, orange?
Orange,
Lemon.
mezcal,
lemon,
and
Y
salsa.
chile con gusano.
Yeah, is sauce
okay.
of worm.
So it's a worm sauce.
Yes.
It's like a worm powder actually,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Woo.
And it's delicious because if you drink the mezcal with this one, the flavor delicious.
Man.
So,
It's a little crazy.
yes.
All right, here we go. Exotic foods, scorpion, centipede, some type of spider. We got ants. The ants that fly once in their lifetime, and they're very expensive because they're very hard to find. And then we got some worms. These look alive, actually.
Yes.
I'm not serious. All right, which one do you want? What do we start with?
Okay, I think that, I don't know, with the alacran, I think.
Okay.
What do you think?
It's basically like, for me, chicharrón in a way.
Yes,
It's crunchy.
It's crunchy,
But you also taste the mezcal, and you taste that powder he put. It's good. I mean, I can eat a lot of those. Oh man.
Okay. What do you have? Very
I'm getting like the juicy part, I guess. What? It's not bad. It's very crunchy, but different taste, like a very earthy.
Yeah.
A lot of earth there.
Yeah, the taste is very different. The chicatanas is protein.
A little ant. I'll have some more. It's great.
Yes, it's delicate.
Yeah. It's delicate. It's very soft. I mean, it's very crunchy and it's just like quick. You know, you bite and it's gone.
Yeah.
The centipede, the scorpion, and the worms. I guess let's go with the worms because we both can do it at the same time. It's a whole different taste. More like a gooey flavor.
Yes.
We still have two big ones
The
left.
torito. Do you want the torito? The torito is smaller. It's this one.
It's a flea.
It's a flea, yes. No.
It's nice.
The torito is...
I mean, it's nothing special. Moment of truth. We got two left. The centipede.
Okay.
I'll dip it again. You want to rip your half? Okay, so dip it a little more.
Here we go.
Whoa!
In the end, it's very different. The taste. What do you think?
I've never had that before.
No.
I don't love it. I won't have it again. So here we have the big bad boy. We'll lift him up and show you guys.
Oh!
I just take it down.
Absolutely.
So the moment of truth, guys. He has to get bathed in mezcal.
Okay, here we go.
The mezcal. Oh. Ooh. Don't try that at home. I don't think any other ones were great for The reason why Aztecs and the people from Mexico used to eat, you know, all these types of insects before the Spanish got here was because this is like super high in protein. So they had this, and then they also had like pumpkin, corn, and that's what their diets were. Where they were, like in the jungles, there's so many insects. This was like their favorite thing to eat. It's really good. It's not bad. It's a different taste, very earth. At the end of the day, you gotta do it. YOLO. Okay. Ahora termínalo. So there's 52 types of corn in Mexico, and he has 48.
48.
48.
Yes.
That's crazy. I think this is my favorite actually.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really good. I also like the really big ones, los más grandes.
Yes.
Son increíbles. Como ese.
La realidad es que están aquí. Aquí los ves. Here there are many kind of tostadas of different animals. For example, jabalí, crocodile. Here we go.
So here they have exotic animals, the tostadas with exotic animals. So a piece of bread with exotic animals. They have very, very exotic, which I'm not gonna go that extreme with the lion, but I'll try crocodile, I'll try kangaroo. Here in the market, they do not sell any animals that are on the endangered species list. All these animals come from farms. The entire market, everybody has a certification that allows them to buy animals from farms that are farmed to eat. So kangaroo to eat, crocodiles to eat. They do not come from the wild, and that's something that everybody should know. So when you come here, you know, if you do want to try any of these animals, they come from farms. They're farmed to be eaten.
It's bread with cheese and the crocodile. Okay? Are you ready? Come on!
The crocodile tostada.
Yes.
I mean, the crocodile looks almost like pork.
Crocodile. Okay, and we have many kind of sauce.
They all look really hot. They all look
yes, of course, of course. But if you move the sauce, you could see the insects or the pieces of the insects. Okay. Oh, it smells very well.
Ooh. Woo. Okay, so I just grabbed this one.
A ver. Gouda cheese. This is of chicatana.
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 I'm just gonna put a little bit on the side. Yes. Mmm. my God. Wow, this is delicious. You would never know this crocodile.
Yes.
I mean, it really is like pork.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very greasy.
Okay, it's very greasy, yes.
Very greasy.
Very, very greasy.
Put some of this in here. A little too much, it's okay. Greasy, fattening, delicious. I just devoured mine. This girl's a character, I love it.
I prefer the insects.
Yeah.
Really? Yes.
I prefer this.
We are going to con un señor that have many kind of sauces and delicious sauces. Oh.
So basically we're gonna try a lot of salsas.
Salsas or sauces?
Salsas. I think it's salsas because we're in Mexico.
¿Va?
Oh, gracias, amigo.
Queremos grabar acá la salsita, señor.
Qué rico.
This is the cacao. The chocolate of Mexico is, for me, the most delicious chocolate.
Caramelized cacao. It was amazing, but we're gonna jump into all these right here. Todos.
Vamos a probar las salsas.
We're going from the softest to the most extreme. So mango chia. Oh my God. It's delicious. That's perfect for the morning.
Nuez al parmesano.
Nuez.
Nuez.
Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
Oh, it was so good. Tostada, like a little bread with this. Oh. Okay, but we also need the wine later. This is grasshopper with 5 different chilies.
Catarina, chile de árbol, morita, chipotle. Woo! What do you think?
Oh my God. No, this is amazing.
Yes.
This is so good. I would never know it's grasshopper. The earthy flavor with all those chilies. How much does that cost? I'm taking one home. I thought it was gonna be so hot, but now it's getting hot.
5 chiles with mezcal. Corazón de agave.
Where'd you bring me to? This is the best place ever. It doesn't have the texture of the other one. The other one had like a lot of grainy like taste in it.
Yes.
This was more like it's como suave, you know?
Very soft.
Very soft.
Yes.
And not too hot.
Okay.
The street food.
Street food.
So what?
Local food.
Parmesan cheese or garlic. Dude, that's amazing. If you're looking for like marmalades and salsas that are very unique, this guy. Come here.
Red fruit.
Grapefruit.
Yeah. Okay?
Sí.
It's sweet.
Yeah?
Sweet, yes.
That's super nice.
No, esta sí se ve heavy, ¿verdad?
This is heavy, right? This is heavy? Okay. It actually has like no sauce. This is like just straight bacon. It reminds me of the insects.
Ay, güey. Ay, perdón.
It's good. Está muy rico. Okay, so this is habanero marmalade. That's one of the hottest peppers. It's not a ghost pepper, but it's one of the hottest.
Yes.
Oh my God. The whole thing?
Come on.
I'm gonna feel this for like a week. Oh, it's hitting me. I mean, it's amazing, but damn. Who wants to eat that? You try it? Yes, of course. You feeling it? Oh yeah, it's really good.
Ay, señor.
I know, we need milk.
Marmalade and pineapple.
I think this will cool it down. This will cleanse our palate. That's a pineapple marmalade. I've never had that before.
Yeah. It's pineapple, chipotle, and is other kind of salsa. Of chile, más bien. Ya no me concentro.
It's too much heat here. Mild, sweet. And I have like 4 more days of this. Don't forget to subscribe to her. Maracuya.
Maracuya is a very common fruit in Mexico. Very traditional fruit in Mexico. And delicious too.
Okay, I know what this one is. I love those seeds. No, that's not bad. Maracuya. I need a maracuya shake like right now.
Is wine with honey.
So wine marmalade?
Yes.
A lot of sugar.
Yes.
You can feel it. Oh, it's nice. It's marmalade of roses.
Yes. Oh, the smell is very nice.
That's amazing. One of my favorite things in the world is rose water.
Wow.
So this is like right there on par with it. Milk milk candy?
Sweet milk. But it's sweet milk. Yes.
Sweet milk. Yeah, sweet milk. Those marmalades and sauces were incredible. But now we're gonna go try some cheeses and have some wine because Mexico's famous for cheese.
Hola. Hola.
Hola, buenas. Okay.
Yeah, there are many kind of cheeses, and with we will prove with wine. Yes. And in Mexico, the cheese is very, very cool. So vamos a probar.
Oh, cheers, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers. Welcome to Mexico.
Viva Mexico.
Viva Mexico.
It's nice.
Here we have many different cheese of different parts of Mexico. This is panela, mozzarella, cotija, chihuahua, manchego nacional, candy, bueno, es dulce de ate de fresa. ¡Salud! Bienvenidos a México.
Here we have mozzarella. No, this is Parmesan cheese, no? And this is mozzarella. That was so good.
Yes.
Yeah?
We put the cheese and then la salsita y pa dentro.
Rico.
Buenísimo.
This is like amazing, look at that. So right here we have cheese with a cricket in that sauce, and then the bread. Riquísimo.
It's chapulín sauce.
This is grasshopper sauce. Traditional candy?
Yes. It's ate. Ate.
Oh, it's membrillo, okay.
Membrillo.
I love membrillo. That with cheese with honey?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Delicious. Chiapan.
Okay, so that's
Chiapan.
this one, but it breaks. It just keeps breaking.
This.
I'm gonna try this sauce made out of higo, a traditional fruit, right here. I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. Oh, it looks great. I just throw a piece of bread, cheese on this. That's a big piece of cheese.
Pa dentro.
I'm sorry, I'm too full. This is amazing. I could drink this. Don't tell anybody. Hold on. I love the membrillo mixed with this.
The best combination.
I'm done. So they surprised us with dessert. It's a mascarpone. It's like a little cake with honey, strawberry. There's a walnut.
Very sweet.
Oh man. Oh, I love it. I'm done.
Are you full?
I'm ready. Come on.
Yes.
Okay, we did it. We tried scorpions, salsas, cheese. What else? We even tried crocodile tostada. That was incredible. I don't know what my favorite thing was.
What do you think? Insects?
The insects. That was a unique experience. That was really cool. Thank you so much for bringing me here.
Oh no,
It's awesome.
thank you. Welcome
Guys,
to Mexico.
Mariel de Viaje. Check her out. Subscribe to her channel. It's right below.
Thank you, David.
No problem.
Welcome to Mexico. Mexico.
Gracias. Viva Mexico.
Viva
Guys,
Mexico.
Guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. See you on the next Mexican adventure.